Hey everybody, Augie at Switchback Trading. I just did a trade here and the screen recording malfunctioned. It wasn't recording. So I'm gonna run through what happened and yeah. Basically, price made a nice move here. I put the measurement on it. And then here's the 25% retracement, right? So it's closing above there and the EMA. So I put in an order to get filled at the level, 595. It started to take off on me. I FOMO'd in, I hit the market, and I got a bad fill. I got filled about there. That's really close to our first TP1, so I'm not happy. And look what happened. It came back, and I got filled on the second lot, second order. So if I would have just been patient, I would have got a better fill. Then I could have had my stop where it should be, below the low. So what I did was I took profit as soon as I hit the 75, just because I had bad fill, you know. And profit's profit, $1,850. Can't go wrong with that. But once again, botched the entry. I should have just held my limit order there at the 25%. But money's money, and it played out. Switchback trading, the SBT model, is continuing to deliver every day. Okay, till the next setup, I'll keep.